Hello artists, how are you today? It's Stephanie Aune coming to you from the banks of the Trinity River here near Willow Creek, California. Oz and I welcome you to the studio. We are very happy you are here with us today. Well, today we're going to chat about craft paint. Sorry, that's quite glary right there. That is some metallic craft paint, which works out pretty darn good when you use it with your gel press. Oh, yes, I did. I pulled out my gel press because, well, it was so hard not to completely turn and just get myself completely involved with the gel press. I love using my gel press. It is so much fun. And I generally use it on Deli Sheets. And you'll see that here. This is just kind of the wiping up one, but I will definitely be using this for a background at a different time. And then just to show you real quick here, this is what you can make with those Deli Sheets once you've made them on your gel press. These are all monoprinted, which means single pull or single print, monoprint. These were all, this background was done with strips of Deli Sheets. Again, this is the Circus Altered book. All of these videos are on the YouTube playlist under the Circus Altered book. This one is, I believe, the Cabinet of Curiosities, if you want to check that out. This was a really fun page to make. So, we've talked about craft paint before. Let me set down Circus book here. Oh, I'm getting quite a stack here of all my books. We've talked about craft paint in the Creating Your First Altered Book series. The Creating Your First Altered Book series is really good in that what I was trying to do was really explain to you what different products do, why we use ephemera, how we prep our books, all of those different things. So I'm going to do a quick rundown once again on the differences in paint. These guys, yeah, you might think you're getting a great deal with this type of paint, but it's not really as great a deal as you think it is. I hope that made some sense, and now I've probably gone on too long. So, anyways, let me know down in the comments. Let me know what you think. What is your favorite grade of paint to use? Again, the Arteza paints would be right there in the middle with it's a step up from student paint, but it's not quite up to this standard either. But it's good stuff still, and you get a lot of great colors. All right, everybody, I hope you have a great day, and we will chat soon. Bye. Okay, today is craft paint, so I'm going to pull out my gel press because I want to. Woohoo! I love to gel press. I do. Looks like I've got some dog hair on here. We'll just call that texture. Right. I'm going to start with a dark color on bottom. Craft paint works pretty well with the gel press. I generally like to use more of a student grade. That's actually too much paint. I know that's too much paint right off the bat. Well, let's see what we got. Yeah, it's way too much paint. Too much. Haven't done this for a while. There we go. It's good to have a sheet to work with here to scrape things off with. So let's grab a Deli sheet. Got a little too much paint on there. That's actually pretty cool, just even like that. We're, you know, just building backgrounds, so. Oh, come on now. It's a metallic. This is a brayer. I don't use a lot of craft paints anymore. I do love using blue and coppers together though. Just like that. I actually don't think I want to touch anything more on there than just like that. I'll put a little more color right in there. But that's beautiful. That's perfect. I'm actually gonna stick with that right there. You don't have to do something particular. You can just let it be abstract. Yay! That's, I love the color combination, a dark and a light. You know, this was kind of the rusty red, just playing with color. Gotta love it. And shoot, that only took 4 minutes. Awesome. All right, I'm gonna clean up. See you later. Bye.